Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 4 screws on the side of the base cover and remove the remaining 6 screws. Pry the cover off of the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the 2 screws. Unlatch the drive and remove it from the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and relatch it. Install the 2 screws. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.